Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA Ignition driver's side sun visor that fits the Toyota Tacoma from 2005 to 2012. Now, again, this is the driver's side sun visor, which is also referred to as the left side of the vehicle, and this is gray in color. This is the complete sun visor, as you can see here. Includes all the warning labels on here, the slide out shade here for when you put your sun visor to the side, includes the vanity light mirror here, and also includes the hinge assembly here. The installation of this is very straightforward. This cover comes off over here. This cover just pops off just like this on the factory. And then what it's going to do is it's going to expose two screws. And let me manipulate this so you can see it. So you can see here I have the cover off here. When you take that cover off here, it's going to expose one screw there. And it's going to expose a second screw. You can see it under there. And this cover comes off of here completely because it's slipped in the middle here. So you can remove that completely, and that's out of the way, and then you can see the two screws there. So on the factory, you'll just remove that cover, you'll remove the two screws, install the new sun visor in its place, and then you will clip this back on in place, and that'll complete the installation. Now, if you guys have any questions about the sun visor, whether it's the right one for your vehicle, anything related to installation, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.